This is the Pretty Fix, and we're showing you how to get 5 different looks out of one single lipstick. You absolutely do not need an entire closet full of different products in order to switch up your look. I think you'd be surprised with a little creativity how many different things you can come up with. Here's some ideas to get you started. Look 1, a matte stain.
Apply your lipstick as usual, but then place a Kleenex between your lips and press several times, which removes the density and shine of the product and leaves only the pigment behind, creating a beautiful stain. Look 2, a sheer, moist lip. Apply a thin layer of your lip balm to the bottom lip only, and then press your lips together to distribute it onto the top lip, blending it in with a finger if necessary. The goal here is to not have on so much lip balm that the lipstick slides right off. Next, either use a finger to pat the lipstick over your balm or lightly apply it straight from the tube so you get a sheer wash of color. Look 3, polished perfection. Instead of applying your lipstick straight from the tube, use a lip brush to get maximum precision, making sure you take the color all the way into the very corners of the mouth. Use pointed Q-tips with some makeup remover if you need to clean up any mistakes. Lastly, use a flat concealer brush to apply concealer around the outside of the lip line to create the sharpest lines possible. This is an incredibly perfect looking pout. Look 4, sexy gloss. You definitely don't need to buy glossy liquid lipsticks in order to create this sexy effect for a night out. Apply your regular lipstick from the tube and use a bit of either your lip balm or a clear gloss in just the very center of the bottom lip and top lip. Staying away from the edges of the lip will minimize bleeding and keep the look going longer while still adding a really beautiful shine. Look 5, matted out. If you love the matte look but own a semi-moist or glossier style of lipstick, all you need is a bit of translucent powder. Just pick up a tiny amount of translucent powder on your finger or a small brush and pat it on top of your lips. It's really that easy. Voila!
Thank you so much for tuning into the Pretty Fix. I really hope that these tips were helpful to you. If so, please give us a like and stay tuned for more expert makeup advice by subscribing to our channel. We love hearing your feedback, so comment below or head over to our website and we'll get started solving all of your beauty dilemmas.